Pakistan Affairs One-Liner Part 6. Sir Aga Khan III was permanent President of All India Muslim League till 1913. Sir Aga Khan III resigned from Presidency of All India Muslim League in 1913. Sir Aga Khan III resigned from the presidency at the 6th annual session of Muslim League held on March 22 to 23, 1913 at Lucknow. Second President of All India Muslim League was Sir Ali Muhammad Khan. Sir Ali Muhammad Khan, the Raja of Mahmudabad, was elected in the 8th session of Muslim League held at Bombay on December 30, 1915. Muhammad Shafi established Punjab branch of All India Muslim League in 1907. Bengal Provincial Muslim League was established in Dhaka on March 2, 1912. Muhammad Ali Johar established Jamia Millia Islamia on October 29, 1920. Muhammad Ali Jawhar established Jamia Millia Islamia in Aligarh. The Swaraj Party, established as the Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party, was formed in India on January 1, 1923. The Swaraj Party was formed by Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. Coxer movement was founded by Inayatullah Khan Mashriqi. Coxer movement was founded in 1931. Simon Commission was founded in November 1927. Simon Commission had 7 members of the British Parliament. Muslim League and Indian National Congress opposed Simon Commission because it contained only British members and no Indians. Simon Commission published its 2-volume report in May 1930. Who gave the idea of round table conferences? Viceroy Lord Irwin. Lord Irwin gave idea of round table conference on recommendation of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The Round Table Conference officially inaugurated by George V. The first session of Round Table Conference was held on November 12, 1930. The first session of Round Table Conference was held at Royal Gallery House of Lords, London. Which party did not participate in First Round Table Conference? Congress. Which form of government for India was approved by British in First Round Table Conference? Federal form of government. Who was the Prime Minister of England during First Round Table Conference? Ramsay MacDonald. The Second Round Table Conference was held in London. The Second Round Table Conference was held from September 7, 1931 to December 1, 1931. The Second Round Table Conference was held from November 17, 1932 to December 24, 1932. The recommendations of the Round Table Conferences were published in March 1933. The recommendations of the Round Table Conferences were embodied in White Paper. Sir Muhammad Zafarullah Khan, first Foreign Minister of Pakistan, took part in all 3 Round Table Conferences. The Government of India Act was passed by the British Parliament in 1935. The Government of India Act received royal assent on August 2, 1935. The Government of India Act 1935 was enforced on April 1, 1937. According to Government of India Act of 1935, the lower house, the Federal Assembly, consisted of 375 members. According to Government of India Act of 1935, how many members of Federal Assembly was to be elected by the legislative assemblies of the British Indian provinces? 250, 67%, members. According to Government of India Act of 1935, how many members of Federal Assembly was to be nominated by the rulers of the princely states? 125, 33%, members. According to Government of India Act of 1935, the upper house of the federal legislature, the Council of State, consisted of 260 members. According to Government of India Act of 1935, how many members of Council of State was to be elected by the legislative assemblies of the British Indian? 156, 60%, members. According to Government of India Act of 1935, how many members of Council of State was to be nominated by the rulers of the princely states? 104, 40%, members. Sindh was separated from Bombay in 1936 through India Act 1935. How many people could cast vote according to Government of India Act of 1935? 14% population. How many people could cast vote according to Government of India Act of 1919? 3% population. Council of Secretary of State started in 1858. Majlis-e-Ittihad-i Millat was formed in 1935. Majlis-e-Ittihad-i Millat was formed by Zafar Ali Khan. Jinnah-Sikandar Pact was signed between Jinnah and Sikandar Hayat. Sikandar Hayat was head of Punjab Unionist Party. Jinnah-Sikandar Pact was signed in October 1937. Jinnah-Sikandar Pact was signed at Lucknow.